Hey van fans, just picked up the wood for my bed. Going home now. I don't know, that piece of wood was 35 bucks. Thankfully I got the rest of the wood for it though. And yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna build the bed, but I'm just gonna do it my way. I've watched a ton of YouTube videos on this, and I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna build it out of my head and see how that works. Okay, so I just got my 2x6 up here, and I'm putting 4 2x4s under here to hold them up. It seems to be a lot shorter. This is all in here so solid that I don't even know if I'd had to screw it down. Ooh. Solid as a rock. You know, being how solid that is, I don't know if I'll have to really screw anything. Maybe just a couple screws. Just so it's easy to take out if I ever have to. So I got a 2x6 up there, and just because that's where I'll be sitting a lot, and there's no braces in the middle, so I wanted a 2x6. And then here I went with a 2x4, just because I don't know, I don't think I need a 2x6 here, but I guess we'll see. But nothing's even screwed together yet, and this thing is just solid as a rock, just with all the pressure of it under this lip here, which did get pushed up a little, but I can go ahead and get on it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Just what I wanted. So look at all the space I'll have under my bed. I'll have space for a ladder and everything. That's what I wanted. I didn't want any supports in the middle or anything. But when I get on the bed, it's solid. Everything's solid, so I'm pretty happy about my bed. Hey guys, so I think I'm just gonna keep doing these van build updates. Seems to be pretty easy and it's working. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Tommy and I'm a high dollar hobo. Thanks for watching. Bye.